Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a PASCAT logical reasoning question. The question is 5 friends meet every morning at Sri Sagar restaurant for an idli vada breakfast. Each consumes a different number of idlis and vadas. The number of idlis consumed are 1, 4, 5, 6, 8 while the number of vadas consumed are 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. Below are some more facts about who eats what and how much. Okay. So clues will tell us this person is eating this much number of idlis and vadas. We have to find it out. If you read the questions over here, which one of the following statements is true? So Daljit eats 5 idlis, Jignesh eats 8 idlis. So we have to find out who is eating what and how much in all the questions to solve all the questions. Let's go to the next slide. We'll read all the clues and solve this. First of all, I need 5 friends. So they are Samir, Diljit, Mukesh, Bimal, and we have Jignesh. So I'll write the names of all those people. Jignesh, then I have Samir, Daljit, Mukesh and Bimal. Okay, they are eating vadas and idli. So let me write down idli over here and vada over here. So this will be the table in which we'll be filling all the data about whatever they are eating and how much. Now if you read the first clue here, the number of vadas eaten by Jignesh is 3 times the number of vadas consumed by the person who eats 4 idlis. So number of vadas eaten by Jignesh is 3 times, that means a multiple of 3. If we go to number of vadas, we have 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. Among these we have only one multiple of 3, which is 6. So that means Jignesh will be eating 6 vadas. But if we read the second clue over here, it is given that 3 persons including the one who eats 4 vadas eat without chutney. So there are 5 people in total. There are 3 who are eating without chutney, okay, and there are 2 who will be eating with chutney. So now we need to add 2 more columns to this table: idli with chutney and vada with chutney. These that I have already written, these are without chutney. Okay, so I'll add 2 more columns. So I know that Jignesh will be eating 6 vadas, but now I'm not clear whether with or without chutney. Okay, but now we were given that 3 times the number of vadas consumed by the person who eats 4 idlis. So if Jignesh is eating 6 vadas, that person will be eating 2 vadas, okay, and that person will be eating 4 idlis. So there is such a person, but we do not know who he is. Let's go to the next clue. 3 persons including the one who eats 4 vadas eat without chutney. So we have 3 who are eating without chutney, okay. Among them we have one person who eats 4 vadas, okay. So if I get a person with 4 vadas, then he'll be eating without chutney, okay. Next one is Samir does not take any chutney. So for Samir with chutney, I'll write crosses over here, okay. Next one is the one who eats 1 idli a day does not eat any vadas or chutney. Further, he is not Mukesh. So there is one person who is eating 1 idli, okay, 1 idli and 0 vadas. He is also in those 3 people who are eating without chutney, but this person is not Mukesh, okay. So let me write not Mukesh over here. So we have found 2 people who are eating without chutney. Next clue is Daljit eats idli and also eats vada with chutney. So Daljit is the one who is eating with chutney. Daljit without chutney, I'll put crosses over here, okay. Next clue is Mukesh who does not take any chutney. So Mukesh is the one who is not eating any chutney. So with C, with chutney for Mukesh, I will put crosses, right. After that, Mukesh eats half as many vadas as the person who eats twice as many idlis as he does. So we have a relation between Mukesh and a person. Mukesh is eating half the number of vadas eaten by him and double the number of idlis eaten by that person. But this doesn't give us anything. We'll use this later. Let's go to the next clue. Bimal eats 2 more idlis than Jignesh. So Jignesh, Bimal idlis minus Jignesh idlis, the difference should be 2, okay. But Jignesh eats 2 more vadas than Bimal. So Jignesh vadas minus Bimal vadas should be 2. Now we know that vadas eaten by Jignesh, it was 6 over here, which gives us vadas eaten by Bimal equal to 4. So Bimal is eating 4 vadas. Now I have a clue that the person who is eating 4 vadas, he is eating without chutney. So Bimal will be eating without chutney. I'll put crosses with chutney for Bimal. I'll put 4 vadas for Bimal. So now Jignesh will be eating with chutney, okay. Because we have found the 3 persons who are eating without chutney. They are Sam, Mukesh and Bimal. So Jignesh and Daljit will be eating with chutney. So for Jignesh without chutney, I'll put crosses. I can assign 6 vadas to Jignesh now. Those will be with chutney. So I'll write 6 over here. Now we had one more clue that the person who was eating 1 idli and 0 vadas, he was not Mukesh. We have 3 persons who are eating without chutney. They are Bimal, Mukesh and Sam. Okay. We cannot assign 0 vadas to Bimal. So Bimal is not this person. He cannot be Mukesh. So who can be this person with 1 idli 0 vadas? It can only be Sam. Okay. So Sam will be eating 1 idli and 0 vadas. Okay. Now we have to use this clue. Difference between idlis of Bimal and Jignesh should be 2. So if we go to idlis, in idlis we have 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. We need two numbers with a difference of 2. So 4, 6 can be those numbers, or 6 and 8 can be those numbers. So I can have 8 or 6 for these, or 6 and 4 for these. So we'll use both these and check which one is correct. So if I go with this case first, okay, the bottom one, then Bimal idli I will put 6 and Jignesh idli I will put 4. Okay. So I have found the person who is eating 4 idlis. So the person eating 4 idlis should eat 2 vadas. Okay. But that is being violated over here. Why? Because the person eating 4 idlis, it is Jignesh, he is eating 6 vadas. So that means this case is invalid. 6, 4, this is incorrect. Okay. We'll be using 8, 6 now. So for Bimal I'll put 8 idlis and 6 idlis for Jignesh. Okay. These are the correct set of values. Now only Daljit and Mukesh are remaining. So if we go to clues for Mukesh, we were given that he eats half as many vadas as the person who eats twice as many idlis as he does. So we have Mukesh M and a person P. And if I assume that Mukesh is eating I idlis, that person is consuming 2 I idlis. And if that person is eating 2 V vadas, Mukesh will eat V vadas. This is using the 6th clue, because we are given that Mukesh is eating half as many vadas as the person. So half the vadas of that person, half of 2 V is V, who eats twice as many idlis as he does. So that person is consuming 2 times the number of idlis Mukesh consumes. We also need a person who is consuming 4 idlis and 2 vadas. Okay, so if I assume that Daljit is that person, so 2 vadas and 4 idlis. Okay, this is an assumption, I am putting them in circles. Hence in that case Mukesh can only eat 5 idlis. Okay, because 5 idlis are left and 1 vada is left, so 1 will be assigned to Mukesh. So these are assumptions. Okay. So if I use this, I am getting 5 idlis for Mukesh. If Mukesh is eating 5 idlis, okay, that person should eat 10 idlis. Is that possible? No, because there is no one who can eat 10 idlis. 10 idlis are not available for anyone. So this assumption is wrong. Okay. Now this 2 vada 4 idli person, I will make Mukesh eat these. Okay. So Mukesh will eat 2 vadas 4 idlis. In that case, Daljit will have to eat 5 idlis and 1 vada. Let us check if everything is fine in this case. So if Mukesh is eating I idlis, that means 4 idlis, there will be a person who should eat 8 idlis. Okay, do we have a person eating 8 idlis? Yes, Bimal. Mukesh is eating V vadas, that means 2 vadas, so there should be a person eating 4 vadas. Okay, because 2 V is 4. So we have a person eating 4 vadas, that is Bimal. Okay. So yes, all the clues are being satisfied in this case. We'll answer all the questions using this only. So this is the final table that we get. First question is, which one of the following statements is true? Okay. So Daljit eats 5 idlis. Yes, this is true. Okay. Option A will be the correct answer. We do not need to check for the others. Okay. Second one is, which of the following statements is true? Samir eats 2 vadas. That is wrong. Mukesh eats 4 vadas. That is also wrong. Jignesh eats 6 vadas. This is correct. Okay. Option C will be the correct answer. Last question is, which of the following statements is true? First is, Mukesh eats 8 idlis 4 vadas. This is completely wrong. The person who eats 5 idlis 1 vada does not take chutney. So that is Diljit. Diljit is taking chutney. Okay, this is also wrong. The person who eats equal number of vadas and idlis also takes chutney. So Jignesh is the person who is eating equal number of vadas and idlis. Is he taking chutney? Yes, he is eating them with chutney. This will be the correct answer. Last option is the person who eats 4 idlis, 2 vadas also take chutneys. Last option is the person who eats 4 idlis, 2 vadas also takes chutney. So 4 idli, 2 vadas person is Mukesh. He is eating without chutney. Okay, so this is wrong. Option C will be the correct answer here. So that's it. It was a very good set, very logical. I hope the explanation was understood. We had to form a few cases over here. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.